Alright guys, how are you doing? Let's talk about something truly wonderful. Pancakes. I mean, who doesn't love a good pancake? They are the ultimate comfort food, aren't they? Perfect for a lazy weekend breakfast, a brilliant brunch with your mates, or even a cheeky little dessert after dinner. They're happy food, pure and simple, but pancakes can feel like a faff. Lots of weighing. And sometimes flat, a bit rubbery, or the first one burns. It's enough to make you reach for boring cereal. Not today. What if I told you the fluffiest pancakes take just 3 ingredients? Yes, you heard me right. 3 simple things you probably have right now. This recipe is a game changer. It strips back to basics to make something truly special. It's quick, it's easy, and the results are stunning. Get everyone involved, the kids will love it. Roll up your sleeves, get the pan ready, and let's do this. Right then, let's get down to business. First step, have your ingredients ready to go. The list is so short you won't even write it down. 1 large ripe banana, the spottier, the better. Those brown spots mean sweetness and easy mashing. Mash it smoothish. A few little lumps add texture. 2 large eggs, go for the best you can. Crack them straight in. 1 bowl means less washing up. Eggs bind and add protein to keep you energized. Self-raising flour, the final hero. Just 2 generous tablespoons. Built-in raising agent gives that fluffy lift. So that's it. 1 banana, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Told you it was easy. Let's get to the fun part. We'll mix, fold, and be ready to cook in minutes. Your new go-to pancake recipe, incoming. Whisk or fork, both work here. Keep it simple, keep it joyful, and keep it moving. Grab a bowl. Any medium one is perfect. Peel, pop it in, and mash with a fork. Aim for mostly smooth, not baby food smooth. Great task for kids. About a minute of mashing. Crack in both eggs. Whisk until fairly smooth and a bit frothy to add air. Scrape the sides so nothing's left behind. Now the magic dust, self-raising flour. Golden rule, do not overmix. Use slow folds until dry streaks just vanish. A few lumps are good, that's fluffiness insurance. Once combined, stop. Put the whisk down. Let it rest a minute or 2 as you heat your pan. That rest sparks bubbles that expand on the heat. That's how we get light, cloud-like pancakes. Pan, spatula, ladle, mise en place saves time. Keep your setup clean and calm. Alright, batter's ready, pan's up next. Set your pan over medium heat. The sweet spot. Add a little fat for non-stick and crispy edges. Butter, vegetable oil, coconut oil, or a light spray. All good. Use a large spoon or small ladle to portion. Palm-sized pancakes cook and flip evenly. Cook 2 or 3 at a time with space to breathe. Let the first side go about 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for bubbles on top and dry-looking edges. Peek underneath. You want golden brown and easy lift. Slide the spatula under the center. Steady now. 1 quick, confident motion. Flip. Give yourself a pat on the back. First one's the practice run. Totally normal. The second side needs just a minute or 2. If the center springs back, you're done. Off the pan and onto the plate. Look at that. A perfect fluffy pancake. Beautiful. Keep the flow going. You'll have a stack in no time. Preheat your oven low, about 100 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit, to keep batches warm. Hold finished pancakes on a tray so everyone eats together. Between batches, wipe the pan and add fresh butter for even browning. Let eggs come to room temp for a lighter batter. Have fun. Try heart shapes or cookie cutters. Pour, set, lift the cutter, then flip. Instant breakfast smiles. Now the fun really begins. Toppings. Classic maple syrup. Get the real stuff if you can. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, banana, even mango or pineapple. Add crunch with toasted walnuts, pecans, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or granola. A dollop of Greek yogurt, or go decadent with ice cream. Chocolate chips, melted chocolate sauce, or a cocoa dusting. Jam, honey, cinnamon. Mix and match your perfect combo. Easy, tasty, done. 3 ingredients, 15 minutes, pure joy. Get in the kitchen, have fun, and enjoy every bite.